Will Steam know if you use a VPN for different prices? So in here, let's just get into our Steam account just like this. Make sure you're logged in, right? So after doing that, here, if you do use a VPN in order to change your region, and in here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see all of the pricing for your games, right? So this might actually change from region to region, but in here, if you do try to purchase a game using a VPN for a different pricing, then it might actually violate the Steam's subscriber agreement. So using VPN obviously would be a issue right here, and I highly recommend you guys not to use a VPN and simply go through your own reason in order to like buy or like use any sort of store associated things that you want to do. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.